All right, y'all, so I think we are gonna go on a bike ride today. So this shit should fit. So how do we do it? We want like this, flip this up, put it under here like so. Same thing over here. This, what the fuck is the strap my dad made me? So yeah, so this right here is the bike my dad gave me. Shout out to my dad. It's pretty smooth, it's pretty light. Don't get me wrong, it's not like top of the mook bike and shit, but it's better than nothing, right? It's just sick. Get this. Boom. And there it goes. That's how it looks. Perfect, not bad. If you have a coupe, man, just get one of these little. Well, my dad, I don't know where he got it from, but I think they sell these at Walmart. They seem to do the job. Pretty sturdy, it's not scratching the paint. Just the handlebars are touching, but they're made out of foam, so this should be good. So let's go on this bike ride, man. Just warm up the car. Might as well have the AC pumping. Hopefully it doesn't fall off, man. We should be good though. Should be A-okay. Yo! Yeah, so we're going on this bike ride, man. It's 12 o'clock in the afternoon. And I don't know if y'all can see it from here. It's back there. It doesn't seem to be moving a lot, like bouncing around. So hopefully it doesn't fall off, man. I'm going to the beach just because they have a smooth bike ride. And the beach, I know, look at that. Fucking vaccines, bro. Hey, do your research on the vaccines, bro. Don't believe me, and don't go do what they're telling you to do. Don't believe nobody, bro. Don't believe them. Don't believe me. Do your research on the vaccines, brother. I'm telling you, bro. Do the research on the vaccines. Don't let them tell you it's good for you, and don't let me tell you it's bad for you. Make your own decision from your own research. But anyways, damn, fucking shitty ass lids. So my girl and her mom went to go eat breakfast this morning, and they looked out for your boy and got him you know what I'm saying, a green juice. Pretty good, pretty good. Shout out Larry June, you know what I'm saying. Don't drink Minute Maid, brother. Don't drink that store-bought juice, bro. Like, either make your own type of, like, example, Jamaica, or your own whatever, tamarindo, piña, like real fruit juice out of real fruit. Add real sugar, you know, because that sugar, that processed sugar that they be putting in them shits, it ain't good for you. Just like table salt, bro. Don't do table salt. Do sea salt, do pink Himalayan salt. Do your research, champ. You know, after. Hopefully the shit is not too packed, because it's like 82 degrees on a Saturday, so hopefully the beach is not packed and there's parking for your boy. If not, I'm pretty fucked. Yep. Hopefully y'all been enjoying these videos. You know, like I said, I be doing them hiking videos. I'm gonna start biking now. I got skateboarding videos I can do. And me and my girl, we got something that we're cooking up for the house. So definitely stay tuned for that, man. And like I said, I'm trying to go on this new health journey, you know what I'm saying? And bring y'all along. Like, if I would have done this shit 3-4 years ago, I don't know, bro, when I was fat as shit, I could have recorded it, but that, like, I didn't really know what I wanted to do with YouTube at the time, you know what I'm saying? Like I said before, I just want to help people, you know, better themselves in any way, like, you know, eat better, do better things mentally, physically, little little tips and shit, man. You don't have to do none of this shit. If you fuck with my shit for everything else, then support me. You know what I mean? You know, whatever you feel like, any advice I give you, and if you feel like you needed to hear that message at that time, bro, just work on it. You know what I mean? Dope out here, so I'm gonna get myself situated and I'll just pick it up when we start riding the bike.
Yeah. Shout out my nigga Mees, VC, OT. One time on the punt, bitch. One take though. One take four. Look. Niggas wanna smoke in the summer, I guess we hotboxing. They starting to think I'm from Houston, the way I pop rockets. With the fighting and the busting, yeah, we pop locking. Zeus ain't making no money, boy, you need to stop it. I ball out, grind hard, Zeus NBA. If you ain't talking money, then you in the way. So you the type to make excuses, I'ma make a play. I run it up, double back, then stay out the way. See, I'm the type to go and grab it, I'ma make it happen. Semi-automatic, tucked up in the mattress. Trap back jumping like a rabbit, wrap it in the plastic. If you talking crazy, Zeus about the action. Only 13, I was feeling like the man. Made a couple moves, got some money in my hands, and I'm only looking forward. I ain't worried about the past. You gon' make it make sense, or it's gon' not.
Yo, so I came across a little car meet. It's a bunch of Impalas. This motherfucker's hard. Shit hard, got the Woodwoods. Shit nice. Different from our car scene. Completely different from our car scene. Damn, look at this one, bruh. Sheesh. Damn, dude, I would love to do a photo shoot with one of these. I ain't gonna lie, man, I always liked those Impalas as a kid. Seeing people drive around in the hood with those, with like the big chrome wheels, the sound system, that shit used to be dope back in the day, man. But yeah, let's get back on this bike ride. Impromptu car meet.
Blow it down, man, I'm finna take a vacation. I can't wait for shit, got no patience. Niggas playing both sides like a double agent. I don't like them, we don't speak, no conversation. Police catch you, you gon' sing like the Temptations. It's a code to the streets, better not break it. Keep an eye on your bitch, cause I might take her. She on the phone talking about how I'm so amazing. Look. Yeah, that was a vibe right there. Living life, I've been feeling like a rock star. Pouring syrup, yeah, I'm pouring up the walk hard. Running plays, getting paid for these past weeks. I grind hard, ball out, we some athletes. Living life, I've been feeling like a rock star. Pouring syrup, yeah, I'm pouring up the walk hard. Running plays, getting paid for these past weeks. I grind hard, ball out, we some athletes.
So we made it to the half-mile mark, which is 3.5 miles. So going back, it'll be total 7. It's like this little view downward. So I guess heading back will be 7 miles total, which shout out Larry June, 7-mile bike ride. That's cool. So I'm gonna hit you back with the time lapse. Yeah, we're done with the bike ride. So on the phone, I have a little bike tracker. Let's see how much. Let's see how much I got. 6.7 miles. Not bad for the first bike ride. Alright, so it's finish off the video with a couple POV clicks. Yes, sir. Brakes. Since I was close by to my mom's house, I went to go buy some food real quick. Man, it feels like I'm always at the E station, bro. Like, always, man. Elote. That's cool that they have an E station in the hood. Even though, like, I wish it was closer to, like, where I grew up on, over on Crash on Slauson. It should make one over there, to be honest with you. But it's close enough. It only sucks that, like, that Crenshaw traffic, bro, like, they've been doing that shit since I was in high school, bro. Since, like, probably my 11th grade year, they started the fucking train traffic, man. It's always been like that. Always back the fuck up and shit. Always so much traffic, no matter what time it is. Hell yeah, buddy, get it. Let's get it, buddy. Hell yeah. But, let's get this elote. Let's see, this is go right here. You know what I'm saying? Get my Apple Pay. Fun fact, if you forgot your wallet, simple, man. I'm pretty much on E, so I wonder how much I'm gonna get for it up with. 30, 55. Damn, 30, 55? Bro, I used to fill my shit over like $21. Well, I mean, it's better than paying 91, man, but fuck. I'm always at the E station like every other day and shit, so it's like the same thing. So, I hope y'all enjoyed that video of me going on a bike ride at the beach. Thank you for supporting the channel as always. Man, we ain't gonna stop the grind, man. We're just gonna keep going and going. And by when I say we, I mean me. But I want y'all to be on your own grind too, you feel me? Do what you want to do in life. And because tomorrow's not guaranteed ever. Like, never, bro. So, man, live your day like it's the last, bro. Don't go to sleep mad. Try not to go to sleep mad. If you had a bad day, don't let it control you. Control the fucking day. Don't let your mind control you, bro. You control your fucking mind, you feel me? But comment, share, subscribe, share your boys' videos. I know y'all that have SIs and shit and Hondas, like, share the video with your friends. I got some dope, I got all type of videos, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna keep doing it. I'm gonna keep dropping different types of videos, not just car related shit, but you know, my car's my baby, so my car's always gonna be incorporated in like all the videos, if that makes any sense, right? So if you're here just for the car, just know that you will get some car content. in every fucking every video. But if you love more than just my cars, shout out to you, bro. Comment, share, subscribe, and then stay tuned for the next video. Peace.
Niggas wanna smoke in the summer, I guess we hotboxing. They starting to think I'm from Houston, the way I pop rockets. With the fighting and the busting, yeah, we pop locking. Zeus ain't making no money, boy, you need to stop it. I ball out, grind hard, Zeus NBA. If you ain't talking money, then you in the way. So you the type to make excuses, I'ma make a play. I run it up, double back, then stay out the way. See, I'm the type to go and grab it, I'ma make it happen. Semi-automatic tucked up in the mattress.